When it comes to family vehicles that combine advanced technology and peace of mind, the 2025 Polestar 4 makes a strong impression. This electric SUV just earned high marks in the latest Euro NCAP safety assessment, and the results show that Polestar is serious about protecting everyone inside and outside the vehicle. The Polestar 4 scored 92% for adult occupant safety, 85% for child protection, 81% for vulnerable road users, and 79% for safety assist technologies. These are not just numbers, they represent how well this vehicle performs when things go wrong. In frontal and side impacts, the structure stayed stable and provided excellent protection for all critical areas. Even in more severe crashes like side pole impacts, it scored full marks. For families, the child safety performance is equally impressive. The car accommodated a variety of child seats and includes a child presence detection system that can alert you if someone is accidentally left inside. In crash tests simulating 6 and 10-year-old passengers, the Polestar 4 offered outstanding protection. Outside the cabin, Polestar focused on safety for pedestrians and cyclists. The autonomous emergency braking system performed well during tests and responded effectively to people and two-wheelers, even in complex scenarios. The SUV also includes a dooring prevention system to protect cyclists from unexpected door openings. Safety assist technologies like speed limit recognition, lane keeping assistance, and automatic braking for cars and motorcycles are all included as standard. The system monitors the driver's attention and can reduce secondary collisions after a crash. The 2025 Polestar 4 is not just a modern electric SUV, it is a safe one. Whether you are driving solo, with your family, or in busy city traffic, this vehicle has your back. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos on cutting-edge automotive tech and safety.